Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Kia EV3. This is in for our Ultimate Plus package, which is a 10-year coating, and we will also be doing the wheels and the glass as well. Really nice unusual colour on this, it's got quite a nice fleck to it. It's a bit of a boxy shape as well. There's a lot of different materials, so obviously we've got our paint, we've got our plastics and piano blacks, and then we've got our textured surfaces as well. Luckily our coating can coat all of these, so none of those would be an issue. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the episode. So as I've explained in a lot of my previous videos, vehicles have travelled thousands of miles. So what we like to do is use a fallout remover on the paint just before we wash with the shampoo, just to remove any additional fallout that there might be or anything from storage. So what you can see here is I'm just putting a fallout remover on. So any iron contaminants or deposits that may have been sat there from shipping or travelling or wherever the vehicle was made to wherever the vehicle was sold, this should dissolve them all, which should give us an even better substrate for when we're polishing and our ceramic coatings. Right, so now the polishing is done, it's time to get our ceramic on. In preparation for this, we need to use the Wax's Dead Cleaner. This is an IPA based product, so we're literally just going to give it a little spray and then wipe it off, and we get all the coatings on. There we go.